Hey guys, welcome back. Hopefully you had a good Thanksgiving break. This is our wheel account strategy. Started with 10 grand in here a couple weeks ago. Just kind of doing strictly the wheel on this one, so selling puts and covered calls. Rocket came down and our puts that we sold, we are now holding shares. Down 82 overall on that, 3.9%. The covered call premium on this though is actually pretty good. So the sold color covered call expires Friday, and it was $46 credit, and it was for $21, which is above our strike. I know that is actually our strike. I thought that was over our strike. Anyways, if we sell it for that, we're still positive. So Rocket keeps going up to 21 by Friday. We will be exercised and we will make our money back, and our collateral will be back. If it doesn't, then we hold the shares longer. BCLI also, as you guys know, tanked on us 60%, but with the wheel strategy, hard to lose really. This is one way you can lose those, by picking penny stocks, and I did, and it went bloop. So it wasn't too much of a risk compared to a $10,000 account with $750. So we haven't lost all of it. We're only down 198 bucks on this, and I haven't sold a covered call on this one yet because it is a penny stock and it's so volatile. I thought it would be, it's just not worth it to me. Also because it's monthly, so it'd be December 18th. I could sell a call. This is our cost basis, so it's $13. This has been $13 for like a week. This hasn't gone up, hasn't gone down. So basically, if this stays the same, every day this stays the same is another day I bought of time where the stock could shoot up and we could get more gains than this $13 premium. Also, there's the risk of it coming down and then this loses value, but it's already pretty low. So I'm probably going to just hold this one for a bit until there's good news, hopefully this month. They're maybe supposed to come out with some news, and then just sell it once it shoots up, or sell a covered call at our strike once it shoots up. We'll see. But yeah, if that premium starts going down and this thing starts, I don't know, tanking, then maybe I'll sell that covered call. Maybe if we get closer to it, but at this point I don't really see the need, so I'm just holding those shares. Rocket, on the other hand, pretty good premium, and it was weekly, so I sold the covered call on that, and it's not a penny stock, so it's not going to just go crazy 60% overnight for the most part. We sold this DraftKings put. DraftKings kind of came down today. We're at down 3% on DraftKings shares today, so this put gained value. So us selling it, we lost some value. We're still up $8 on it. This expires on Friday. As long as DraftKings stays above $48, we will get our collateral back, and that $48 credit, of course, we keep. So I think this play will work out fine. I have a oh, I didn't make it. Oh, I was gonna buy to close it, but they were in $5 increments, and I don't like to do that, so I'm not doing it. Take a look here at our Webull, just because I look at the charts on Webull. So yeah, it's kind of like it hits the top, and it'll probably sell off more tomorrow. Our strike on here is 48. I think we'll be pretty safe though. This is pretty strong support, I'd say. So also this 180 moving average, so if it comes down here, it should bounce off of that. But 48 is not a bad strike to own a bit if we have to, and that will be by Friday. Today is what, Tuesday? So yeah, I think that's a pretty good one. That was a pretty good premium too. And yeah, I wanted to do less plays, more collateral per play. So the DraftKings one, this is $4,800 collateral because it's a strike price of $48. So if we are exercised, it costs $4,800 to buy 100 shares. So that's this one. I still have 1,600 buying power. I didn't really have time today to set up anything else, and 1,600, there's not a whole ton of stocks that you get much premium sub I don't know, $20. So I looked at some, you know, GameStop again and Haynes and those that we've messed with before, but I just didn't do it. We'll see tomorrow. Maybe I'll put up another one. This guess one doesn't expire for a while, but if we open this one up, they're gonna have earnings, so there was some premium on this. This is only what, $1,300 in collateral for $20 credit. And then the cover call and Rocket, BCLI. Yeah, not much. It's a slow grower. Wheel account. It's working though. I didn't really give maybe a recap from last week. but we were up 0.5% last week. Hard to tell. Yeah, and I think part of that, so I think rolling over is rolling over the puts that you sell. I think that's a pretty good strategy to do, because holding the shares definitely ties you in. And we've been on this ride now for a little bit, holding these shares of Rocket, and it's kind of just ties up a lot of collateral that you can't sell premium with. So you can on the covered call side, and we are now. But I mean, we get this premium, but then if it goes down, I don't know. It just seems like it fluctuates it more than if you just rolled over and sold another put. But this is all part of the wheel. On the month, we're still up 2.2%. Let's see, we didn't even start a month ago. We started about here, I think. November 9th. Let's see, when did we start this? Yeah, it was close to a month ago, maybe right about here. Yeah, November 6th. Wow, it's crazy. It's been a month. That's so crazy. This big drop, of course, is BCLI. It looks huge on this chart because we haven't really moved much. But once this is way up here, this will just be a little blip. But yeah, so we're kind of back to where we were at BCLI. By Friday, I think we should be all-time highs in this account, because we should have the premium on these. I don't think we'll get exercised. And Rocket and BCLI maybe will come up by then too. So today, I mean, it's down $31 just because Rocket shares, and then DraftKings kind of came down some. So that's it for the wheel account. Let me know what plays you guys are doing in the wheel. Strategy, how you do it, if you do. I know some people just like to sell puts with a 30 delta, and on Robinhood that looks like, or a 20 delta. So if you look at the Greeks down here, so this is the delta, so this is 0.24, so that's 24% delta. I know some people they don't look at charts, they just look at the delta and say, I'm gonna sell that one. So theoretically they'd sell this put. If we get exercised, then they would sell a covered call, and that's simple. No rolling over. I think some people do it that way. They're strict to it. They exercise and then they sell a covered call with a 30 delta. So that would be the wrong way. Oh, because it's a put. There. That would be this one or this one. So this one, and then if that gets exercised, you know, back and forth. I'm looking a little more into it, trying to look at the patterns and the charts, as well as only selling covered calls, but my strike price, which I feel like most people probably do, but I'm not sure. I've heard of all different strategies with the wheel. And then also having a penny stock in here, not selling covered calls again, because it's not enough. $13 for that much time. Just, it's not worth it for that $13. In a week or two, if it's still $10, great. I'll do it for that, but it could shoot up in that time, so I don't know. That's what we're doing with this one. And this one, yeah, if this was, I wish this was no, this one is okay. So I did a buy to close, limit price 1 cent, good till canceled. So tomorrow, if Rocket goes down even more, kind of suck, but this would gain value. The premium, the contract will lose value, so we can buy it back cheaper. We can close it, but then our shares go down. So it works both ways. Anyways, make sure to sub up, like up, comment down, make money, happy money, so it'll stick around. We will see you tomorrow, or maybe not, because there's the wheel account. It moves a little slower. I'm gonna do a long-term review. If you haven't checked those out, make sure and do it. It's in the other playlist. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.